In this quick guide, you'll learn how to clear your YouTube watch history to protect your privacy, reset recommendations, and keep your account clean in 2026. First of all, open the YouTube applications. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account. Once the app is open, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon, often labeled as you or showing your profile picture. Next, on the account page, locate and tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner. This will open your YouTube settings menu where you can manage all account-related preferences. Now scroll down and select Manage All History. This will redirect you to your Google account activity page where all your YouTube watch and search history is stored. If you use multiple Google accounts, ensure you select the correct one before continuing. Once inside your activity controls, you will see a delete button above your history timeline. Tap on it to open deletion options. You will now be given several choices. Delete all time removes your entire YouTube history permanently. Delete today removes only today's activity. Delete custom range allows you to select specific dates. Choose the option that best fits your needs. For full privacy cleanup, select delete all time. Finally, confirm your selection by tapping delete again when prompted. Your YouTube history will now be permanently cleared. Done. Your YouTube history is cleared successfully. Stay tuned for more tech fixes.